What up, y'all? It's your girl Dauntlessdany, and I'm back today with another video. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to refresh your twist out in the middle of the week, because I feel like I did such a good job with this hair. Like, oh my gosh, look at the definition. Do you see that? And the color is still vibrant after almost 2 months now. So I got my hair colored back in December. So if you like to see how I refresh my twist out, then keep on watching.
Hey, you sweet like Sundays. Need you on Mondays, cause those be the worst for me. You ease it perfectly. You my pick me up like babies with their arms.
So I did a twist out maybe a couple of days ago, and it is pouring down, raining right now. And I want my twist out to look cute for the next day. Like, I don't like, it looks kind of frizzy to me. But it might not look that frizzy here on camera. I don't know. I'm gonna give you guys a 360. Hopefully you can see the back of my hair. But yeah, so my hair looks a little frizzy, and I'm going to like not retwist my whole head, but I am going to retwist like some bits and pieces of my hair. So I'm going to show you guys how to refresh your twist out style today, if you want it to last longer. Because I know if I wear this, if I just band it and just try to wear it out tomorrow, like, I won't like it personally. So I'm going to try and see what I can do to like revamp it. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So just keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so I've been in love with this Jacky's ice curls. So this is what I'm going to use to retwist my hair. I'm going to actually put 4 twists in my hair, just mainly like the tops and sides. And that's me having the gel on my fingers and running it through my hair. And then I'm just going to 2 strands with this section on top. So here you guys are going to see me do a 3-strand twist versus a 2-strand twist. Sometimes I like to mix them up within my hair because it gives me like different definitions, and I like how, you know, it looks as far as like when my hair is all out. So it's like different dimensions of curls within my hair. So here I am completing a 3-strand twist. And if you guys want a tutorial on how to do a 3-strand twist, just make sure you put it down in the comment section below, and I'll be able to get it to you guys if you want to see me do a whole 3-strand twist out on my head. So I am just going to probably do like a couple more twists, and then I'm going to band it. So I pretty much did like 4 twists. I think everything else will be fine for tomorrow. I just did a couple so that my hair will look like look fresh in the morning. And then now I'm just going to proceed to band my hair as I would. But before, I am definitely going to be using some oil on my hair so that it doesn't feel dry. And I'm using the Moisture Miracle Castor Grapeseed, Argan, Coconut, and Olive 5 essential oils, strengthen and protect by African Pride. This here, I'm just gonna put a little on my fingers. And proceed to band my hair. But I'm not going to put the twist into the bands because I want them to dry overnight. Now I have 4 sections and I have 4 twists that I'm going to let air dry overnight and take a loose in the morning, and that should give me more definition. So hopefully you guys will be able to see the difference, and then I'm going to come back in the morning and show you guys how my hair looks. So I'll see you in like 2 seconds. Bye. Hey y'all, so it's the next morning and I'm just here to show you how my hair looks compared to last night. So let's get into it. So this is the oil that I told y'all I was going to start back using, and I have been actually. This is my first bottle. I hope that's focused. Yeah, so my wild growth. So I'm definitely going to put some of this on my hands. And my girl Curly Chris, she taught me never to touch your hair with dry fingers. So this is me going in with some oil on my fingertips. And I'm just taking down the bending parts first before I mess with the twist. Now that I've taken all of the bands out, what I do next is just shake my hair. I'm just going to take out this bobby pin that I had holding the 2 twists up top, and I'm going to use a little bit more oil, not that much, just a little, and then use it for my twist. So this is how it looks. I'm going to be back when everything's all said and done. So I'll see you guys in just a sec when I have my edges laid. Okay, one sec. So I'm back, y'all, with my edges laid, as you can see. And I'm hoping you can see a big difference in what my hair looked like yesterday versus today, because I definitely can. Like, I am ready. Like, it's not as frizzy as it was, but that definition is killer. And I use a combination of things for my edges. I use the Style Factor Edge Booster, the Blueberry Scent, and the Gorilla Snot. So I figured these two always help me lay and slay my edges. I try not to lay my edges every day because this stuff could be kind of harsh, especially this could be kind of harsh on my edges. So I try not to use it as often. Love you too. So I try not to use it as often, but when I do, I make sure I use it in combination of both. But yeah, tell me how you like my hair in the comment section down below. If you are new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.